Tayo's channel! Meet Titipo's friends! Episode 1, Titipo! Titipo and Tayo!
It's a lovely morning, and there's Titipo.
Oh? It's Tayo! Tayo! Titipo! Hello! Hello! That was fast. I wish I could have stopped to chat. Oh, well. Titipo! Oh? It's me! Hi, Tayo! We meet again. It's fun running into you. Yeah, so fun! I wish we could see each other more often. Yeah, me too. Titipo, do you work tomorrow? No, tomorrow is my day off. Really? That's perfect. I'm off tomorrow too. Do you want to go to the ocean together? Wow! Okay! Great! Let's meet tomorrow at the station near the garage. Okay, see you there. Bye!
It's the next day, and Titipo has arrived at the station.
I made it! But I guess Tayo isn't here yet. Titipo! Oh, Tayo! Titipo, are you there? Yeah, I'm at the station. But where are you, Tayo? I'm over here. You're here? But I don't see you. I'm in the parking lot. Parking lot? I can't see him because of the building. I think we have to go there separately. Okay, wanna meet at the ocean? I can't hear you. Do you want to meet at the
Yikes, it scared me. Huh?
So I'll meet you there at the ocean.
Titipo!
Oh,
Why are you yelling?
Oh, I'm just trying to talk to my friend outside the station.
But you're being too loud.
I'm so sorry. I think he said to meet at the ocean. I guess I'll just head out.
Tayo is on his way to the seaside. Oh, there's Titipo.
I wonder if Tayo is almost there. Oh, it's Tayo! Tayo! Wait for me! Hi, Titipo. What do you want to do once we get there? How about we? Tayo! Titipo! We were supposed to go together, not separately. But I guess once we get to the sea, we'll have loads of fun. Wow! Off I go! Huh? Hey, wait for me! Try and catch me! I'll get you, Titipo! Wow, it's so beautiful! It is! Wow! It's gonna be fun! Huh? The ocean! I can't wait to get there and play with Tayo!
Titipo has finally arrived.
Tayo! Tayo! Titipo! Huh? I'm over here. Oh, there you are, Tayo. Yeah, this is the closest road to the ocean, Titipo. What? Oh, so we came all the way here and we can't play together? Hey, I know. I'll try and get a bit closer. Oh, but how, Tayo? Just leave it to me. Yeah. Tayo, be careful! Don't worry. I'm almost there now. Oh, Tayo! I can't get out. Yikes! This is bad. Titipo, Titipo. You're out. Thank you, Toto. No prob. Tayo, are you okay? Yeah, I'm okay. But I think I should go to the repair shop right now. Yeah. Get there safely, Tayo. Okay, here we go. Yeah. Tayo almost got hurt because of me.
Titipo,
Huh? Copy, Tayo.
you know you have a checkup tonight, right?
Yes, I remember.
Good. I'll see you later.
Okay.
Titipo is at the production plant for his checkup.
Hi, Tayo. Here I am.
Titipo, right on time.
Yes,
What's wrong? Are you okay? You seem a little down.
I am. I made plans to go to the ocean with Tayo today, but Tayo almost got
Titipo
hurt
tells
because of
Teo
me, and we
everything that
couldn't
happened
play
to him today.
together.
You must be upset.
I am.
Ah, I know how you and Tayo can play together.
Really, Tayo? Tell me how.
Come to the plant tomorrow afternoon, and I'll show you.
Wow! I can't wait!
It's the next day, and Titipo is back at the plant.
Tayo!
Titipo, come on in.
Hello! Oh, what a nice surprise! Hi! Tayo, are you all better now? Yep, Hannah fixed me up in a jiffy.
But you should always be careful and stay on the roads.
I will. I'm so glad!
Okay, guys. Titipo, Tayo, are you ready for your outing?
Yes, but Tayo, how can we go together?
I said I knew a way, right? The way is with that.
Tayo, that's just a freight car.
It's not an ordinary one. I made some special adjustments. Come, Titipo, link up to it.
Okay.
Steady, steady. Perfect.
I'm all linked up. But Tayo, are you sure Tayo and I can go on an outing with this?
Absolutely sure.
Wow! That's so cool!
Tayo, try getting on.
Okay. Huh? Wow! I'm all set and secured, Tayo. Ah, now that we're linked up, we can go together. Thank you so much, Tayo.
My pleasure.
Are you ready to go, Tayo? Yeah, I'm so excited.
Have fun, guys.
Okay, here we go. See you, Tayo.
Bye.
Titipo and Tayo are going to the ocean together.
Let's play tag. Wow! Wow! The ocean is so pretty. Yeah, and the breeze feels nice. It's so fun coming here together. Oh? Look up there, Tayo. There are seagulls. Wow! They're flying in a line like us. You're right. Now put your right hand on your friend's right shoulder. And put your left hand on your friend's left shoulder. 1, 2, 3, 4, step in rhythm and start moving. Choo-choo train is a fun game. Come, gather round. Come on, make a chain. All aboard, chugga, chugga. Let's go faster than we are a little train. Let's
Titipo and Tayo are having a great time by the sea together.
Hi, guys! Oh, it's Titipo.
Why do you have a freight car behind you?
I have a surprise! Ta-da! Hi, guys, it's me.
Whoa! It's Tayo!
What's Tayo doing here? Well, Tayo made this freight car especially for Tayo. So Titipo and I were able to go to the sea together. Wow, that's so cool.
Hey, Tayo, let's go to the quarry together next time.
Quarry?
I'll show you all the amazing work that I do.
Tayo, before you go there, come look at flowers with me. Sorry! Tayo already promised me that we'd go to the ocean again! Yay! That's not fair!
Tayo, let's go to the quarry!
He can't, because Tayo's going to the sea with
What?
me!
Stop teasing! He's teasing, right, Tayo?
The little trains had fun playing with Tayo in Choo Choo Town.
Mission: Save Choo Choo Town!
Today, Titipo is getting his checkup.
Okay, everything looks good.
Then, am I all clear to go see the shooting stars tonight with my friends?
Sure, go have fun, Titipo.
So excited! I have a question. Do shooting stars really land on Earth?
Most of them just vaporize, but some land as meteorites.
Ah! Oh, then what if a big one falls down right on Choo Choo Town?
Guess it could happen, but it's highly unlikely.
Ah! Thanks, that's good to know. Jeannie! Diesel! They're not back yet. Guess I'll go wait for them at home.
Titipo.
Oh,
Titipo, report to the auditorium right now.
okay. Mr. Herb! Oh, Teo!
Good, you're here.
You got called too, Diesel?
Yeah, I think it's an emergency.
Oh, check out Mr. Herb and Teo. Their uniforms are different.
Actually, Teo and I are secret agents of Choo Choo Town.
And you're both secret train agents.
What?
Secret agents?
We're a special force that protects Choo Choo Town.
Wow, that's so cool!
I can't believe I'm a secret agent!
Listen up. You have an important mission to carry out.
An important mission?
Look,
Whoa!
that giant comet you see is speeding toward Earth right now. It's expected to crash right here.
That's Choo Choo Town!
Ah, this is terrible!
If it hits Earth, then Choo Choo Town will be gone forever.
What?
We won't ever let that happen!
We should hurry. Let's go.
Yeah! But wait! How do we go to space?
That's right. It's not like we can fly out there.
We've already thought ahead for this very situation.
Oh.
Wow! Rocket mode transformation complete!
Only secret train agents have been installed with this special flying gear.
Now we can go to space no problem!
We're ready to start our mission.
Hold on. You'll need one more thing in order to succeed in your mission.
Whoa!
Inside is an explosive that can blast a comet to pieces.
You must destroy the comet with the blaster in space before it gets anywhere near Choo Choo Town.
Yes, sir!
Secret train agents, are you ready?
Ready!
The fate of our town depends on you.
Yes, sir! Diesel!
Titipo! Blast off! Woohoo!
We're in outer space, Diesel!
It's so cool!
Come on! We don't have time for this! We need to get to the comet!
Oh yeah, you're right! Ow!
Ow! Oh, what are these things? Yikes! It's a meteor storm! Watch out! We made it out!
Didn't even break a sweat. Come on!
Diesel, watch out! Titipo, Titipo. Diesel, watch out! Yeah!
Titipo, are you all right?
Yeah, just a little scratch.
Thanks, buddy. You were really brave.
Thanks. It's the comet!
It's way faster than I thought it would be.
Come on, let's go! Something's wrong with my engine! Whoa! I think it's broken!
Don't worry, I'll pull you along.
Okay.
Let's go! A bit further.
Diesel, you can do it!
Yeah, turbo power! Yeah! Ha! We made it!
Thank goodness!
We're really close to Earth. We'd better set up the blasters.
Okay. Blaster on!
Blaster on! Titipo, let's go back home now.
Okay.
Move out! Oh, hey, what's that sound? Oh no, I'm running low on fuel!
This is bad. You must have used most of your fuel pulling me.
The blasters are going to explode soon. Oh, what should we do?
Diesel, leave me here and just go.
What?
Without me, you should have enough fuel to get back to Earth.
No way, I'm not leaving you!
Now go! Hurry, Diesel! You don't have much time left!
How can I leave my friend behind?
Take care of Choo Choo Town for me, Diesel.
Titipo!
Titipo, Diesel!
Huh?
It's fixed! And lift!
The blasters are gonna blow!
I know that. Hurry, let's link up.
Okay!
Link up complete!
Let's move.
Yahoo! We did it!
Mission complete!
Good job, you guys.
Now let's hurry back to Choo Choo Town.
Yeah! Oh, but how did you know we needed help? Are you secret agents too?
We're the Secret Train Rescue Squad.
Mr. Herb told us you two were in some trouble, so we came to help.
Whoa, so cool! Thanks, guys!
Me too! Thanks so much!
Of course, you saved the town after all.
That's right. You're both big heroes.
Dodged a meteor shower.
To the Comet Turbo Power.
Solving together, helping each other. Super Secret Agents Titipo and Diesel!
I'm getting worried. They should be back.
Oh, it's Titipo and Diesel.
Thank goodness.
We made it, guys. I'm so glad you're safe and sound.
Diesel, you're my hero.
You're the best, the bestest! Titipo, Diesel, thanks so much!
You both saved Choo Choo Town.
Diesel, we really did it!
Yeah!
Oh, look at the sky.
Oh?
Shooting stars!
The shooting stars must be from the comet you blasted.
They're beautiful! Shooting stars.
Titipo! Titipo!
Diesel!
Let's go see the shooting stars. We have to hurry.
Huh? But we already saw them just now!
Did you fall asleep again, Titipo?
Oh, it was just a dream. Diesel, in my dream, you and I were secret train agents.
Secret train agents?
We joined forces and saved Choo Choo Town.
Whoa, really?
It looks like it was only a dream. But you were still amazing in it, Titipo.
Getting lost.
This is the train production plant. The brand new little Titipo is doing a test run.
Okay. At the home stretch. Let's go!
Titipo, you should slow down on curves.
Oh yeah.
Good job, Titipo.
How did I do this time, Teo?
Much better than yesterday, except...
I know. I'm supposed to slow down at a curve. It just slipped my mind. But I did everything else right.
You can't keep on forgetting, though.
Does that mean I'm not ready for Choo Choo Town?
Let's try and be a little more patient.
Okay. Yikes!
Howdy-ho, Dale.
Tony, feeling better?
Yeah, I was worried my strength was going. But thanks to you, I feel as strong as ever.
I'm so glad.
Hey, I don't think we've met before.
This is little Titipo. We're doing some practice runs now.
Nice to meet you.
Titipo? Guess I'll see you on the rails soon. Dale, best be on my way.
Wow.
Okay, if something feels wrong, you know where to find me.
Yep.
As Tony leaves, another train arrives.
Oh? Having a good morning, Teo?
Hi, Jeannie. What can I help you with?
I got a teeny weeny scratch.
Well, let's see. Aha. There it is.
Yes, it's really bothering me. Oh? I haven't seen him before.
Right. That's because he's a brand new little train. His name's Titipo.
Hello, Titipo. Oh, hello.
Jeannie lives in Choo Choo Town now.
Wow, so cool. It's my dream to live there, too.
And you will, once you're fully ready for duty.
But I think I'm ready now, Teo.
I'm afraid not. Jeannie, let's get you fixed up.
Great.
Titipo, I'll help Jeannie and be right back. Wait here.
Okay.
All aboard. Now, let's go.
Okay. Wow.
Left all alone, Titipo starts to feel a little bored.
I wish I could go explore and see Choo Choo Town. Oh? I'll go out real quick and come right back.
Titipo is leaving the production plant without Teo's permission.
Yippee! Wow, this feels great!
Hey, kid. I'm on a tight schedule today, so can you move it along?
Sure. He's still behind me.
Jeez Louise, can he go any slower?
Oh, what do I do? I'll go to the left.
As Titipo moves out of the way, the locomotive speeds past him.
Bye, little slowpoke. Later.
Phew.
Titipo finds himself in a strange neighborhood.
Where am I? I'll ask at that crossing. Hello, can you help me?
Oh.
Where am I now?
Huh? Where are you now?
Come on!
Look, little train, move it. You're blocking the road. Move out of the way so we can... I'm so sorry! Hurry and move! Little train, you're blocking the road. Should I go back? No, let's go a little further. Titipo, Titipo.
This is the harbor. Titipo has wandered very far indeed.
Where am I now? Hey, that's Tony! Tony!
Yikes, you scared me.
I didn't mean to. You look like a train I know. Sorry.
Well, anyway, what are you doing in here?
I don't know. I'm lost.
This area is restricted to freight trains only. It's dangerous. You should leave.
Leave? Okay. But how do I do that exactly?
Over that way, you'll find a turntable.
Thanks! Think this is the right way? Is this it? Oh, gee whiz! How does this work?
Whiz, how does this work?
Oh, who said that?
Whoa, who said that?
Who's out there?
Up here! Hey, kiddo, if you want to leave, then get on the train turntable.
Get on the turntable? Is this right? Wowee! It worked!
Of course. Told ya, I wouldn't steer you wrong.
Thank you so much. But who are you?
Me? I'm the strongest machine on the harbor. The name's Craney.
Really? Are you sure about that? Isn't Tony stronger?
What? Tony? A mere freight train can't compete with my strength.
A mere freight train? Are you bragging again, Grady?
Oh, Tony! A long time no see.
Still the same chatterbox Craney.
Tony?
Huh? Titipo, how on earth did you get here?
I went out on my own, and I got lost.
Oh, dear. Let me get my cargo. Then I'll take you back.
Sure.
Craney, stop blowing your own horn and start loading my containers, will ya?
Oh, Tony, I was only joking. Okay, back to work I go. Lifting, loading, loading.
Craney worked hard and fast.
Wow!
All done. Woo-hoo. Tony, you are all set.
Wow!
Titipo, are you ready to go back?
Are you sure you can haul all those containers?
Easy peasy. For Tony, that kind of load is no problem. Am I right?
I can't believe you gave me a compliment. Come on, let's go.
Okay!
Bye, friend. You too, kiddo.
Bye! I just kept going and going until I ended up at the harbor.
So that's what happened. Almost there, Titipo.
Yay!
With Tony's help, Titipo arrived safely back at the production plant.
This is where we park. Bye, Titipo.
Thank you, Tony! Let's go back in.
Titipo!
Tail.
Titipo, where have you been all day?
Well, you see, I only meant to take a quick look outside.
You should have asked me. I was so worried.
I'm sorry.
Are you hurt anywhere?
No.
Titipo, can you open your door?
Sure.
There. You're good to go.
I'm good to go? Go where?
To go on official runs. Which means you can finally go to Choo Choo Town.
Really, Tail? Wow! Can I go right now?
It's getting too dark. Let's go tomorrow morning. Now promise, be a good little train and go straight to bed.
Okay! I can't wait for tomorrow to come!
Titipo is finally going to Choo Choo Town. Congratulations, Titipo.
Hi, my name is Titipo. I'm a little train who just started working. I was born in the train factory. The train factory is a place where new trains are made and broken trains are repaired. Not long ago, I was able to go to the train village of my dreams. In the train village, little trains who provide train service all live together.
So, who's this? Don't think we've met.
He's new, and he's going to live in Choo Choo Town.
Okay, I'm Titipo. I don't think I know him. Is he new?
That's Titipo. He's going to live with us in Choo Choo Town.
Hello, my name's Tayo. Hello, I'm Titipo. It's nice to meet you. I have new friends and a new house too. I must be dreaming. I am also curious about many things. I know I'm not working today, but can I go out and play?
Of course. Have fun.
Yay! So excited! I'll see you later.
All right, be safe.
Wow! Wow! The ocean is so pretty. Yeah, and the breeze feels nice. It's so fun coming here together. Huh? On my day off, I I sometimes go to the beach with my friend Tayo. I also have fun singing. Now put your right hand on your friend's right shoulder. And put your left hand on your friend's left shoulder. 1, 2, 3, 4, step in rhythm and start moving. Choo-choo train is a fun game. Come, gather round. Come on, make a chain. All aboard, chugga, chugga. Let's go faster. Now we are a little train. Let's go around. Chugga, chugga, chug, chug, chug. With our mic, chugga, chugga. Let's all smile. Now we are a little train. Now we are a little train. But because of my curiosity, I sometimes make mistakes. Wow!
This is where we stop.
Oh! Whoa! Wow!
Where are you going?
Butterflies!
Titipo! You have to stop here.
Oh yeah, sorry.
Oh.
I once got lost when I became so curious about the outside world and wandered around alone. Where am I? I'll ask at that crossing. Hello, can you help me?
Oh.
Where am I now?
Huh? Where are you now?
Come on!
Look, little train, move it. You're blocking the road. Move out of the way so we can... I'm so sorry! Hurry and move! Little train, you're blocking the road. But thanks to a freight train, Tony, I was able to safely return to the train factory. And I promised myself that I would always listen to Teo from then on. I'm a little embarrassed about this one, but I'll tell only you guys. Actually, even after I came to the train village, I made many mistakes. Especially on my first day of train service, I was full of mistakes.
Late. The train's running late today.
Oh, here it comes.
I wonder why it's so late.
Oh, I'm so sorry. Now off we go. Move out. I have to hurry. Oh, the track curves.
It's dangerous to speed on curves, so Titipo reduces his speed.
Oh, the timer! I can't be late again on my first route. Oh, hey, it's Eric! Hello, Eric!
Oh. Titipo, are you on your first route?
Yup. Wish I could chat, but I have to go.
Why is he going so fast?
Oh, it's a bridge. I know I should go slowly on bridges. Well, it can't be helped because I'm in a hurry. My boat! Let's go! Whoa! I made it! And I'm not late! We're at the station, everyone! I was so upset that day, but I was able to make it through thanks to my friends who rooted for me.
Cheer up. No train is perfect on his first day.
Hey, Teo, can I practice a bit more?
Of course, as much as you like. I'm ready when you are.
Great! Because of my friends, I'm becoming a train who can make people happy little by little. I can't leave a passenger in need. Titipo, 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 going fast on the tracks. Titipo. Hoi! Hoi! Mommy, look at this train. It's really funny. I am. I'm not scary, right? Yeah.
Ready to take the train now?
Yes.
Thanks for helping, little train.
Of course. So what do you think? Will you be my friend and watch me become a great train? Next time, I'll introduce you to my friends who live in the train village. See you soon.